In a world that often feels chaotic, this Zen-inspired modern home emerges as an architectural meditation, a sanctuary that celebrates silence, balance, and mindful living. Drawing inspiration from the Zen House by Studio Nirvana, the design captures the poetry of simplicity, where every line, surface, and material speaks softly yet with purpose. The home is not just a structure, it's an experience, a rhythm of light and shadow that flows seamlessly through open spaces. It invites its inhabitants to breathe, to feel, and to reconnect with what truly matters: peace, clarity, and connection to the natural world. The design unfolds with a geometric grace, minimalist planes that intersect with precision yet remain fluid and open. Clean horizontal lines stretch outward, grounding the home to its landscape, while generous openings blur the threshold between inside and out. Every element is designed with mindfulness, from the texture of the concrete to the warmth of the wood panels that soften its modern edges. The result is a space that feels at once sculptural and organic, structured yet weightless. Natural light plays an essential role, transforming each room throughout the day and inviting a dynamic dialogue between architecture and atmosphere. Rather than competing with its environment, this house surrenders gracefully to nature. Wide glass walls and open courtyards frame tranquil views of gardens and reflective water features, allowing the landscape to become an integral part of the interior composition. The home breathes with its surroundings, the breeze flows through open corridors, and sunlight gently filters through slatted wooden screens. The soft rustle of leaves and distant sounds of water create a living soundtrack that completes the home's sensory experience. Here, nature is not decoration, it's the soul of the design, reminding us that serenity is found in coexistence, not control. Rooted in the philosophy of wabi-sabi, the material palette embraces imperfection and authenticity. Raw concrete walls meet smooth wooden surfaces, creating a tactile balance between coolness and warmth. Earth-toned stone and muted ceramics accentuate the grounded atmosphere, while handcrafted details reveal the touch of human artistry. Every texture, grain, and patina tells a story, one of time, natural wear, and beauty that deepens with age. The design celebrates restraint, letting materials express themselves without excess ornamentation. It's a reminder that true luxury lies not in extravagance, but in honesty and timeless craftsmanship. Each living space is crafted to nurture calm and connection. The open-plan living area flows effortlessly toward the garden, creating a dialogue between structure and landscape. A low-profile furniture arrangement encourages grounded living, while the soft hues and natural textures maintain a soothing ambience. Subtle Japanese influences can be seen in the balance of asymmetry and order, a careful orchestration of voids and volumes that inspires contemplation. These spaces are designed not to impress but to express, an invitation to slow down, share a meal, or simply sit in silence while the world beyond moves at its own pace. At the center of the home lies a courtyard, the beating heart of its design philosophy. Here, sky, water, and greenery converge in a space that serves as both visual anchor and emotional refuge. The courtyard functions as a natural transition between the public and private zones, allowing light to cascade into every corner of the home. It's a living painting that changes with the seasons, offering endless moments of quiet observation. This central garden embodies the Zen ideal of balance, a sanctuary within a sanctuary, where life unfolds in harmony with the elements. This Zen-inspired modern home is more than an architectural statement, it's a way of being. It embodies a mindful approach to living, where design becomes a meditation on space, light, and nature. Every surface reflects intention, every void invites reflection, and every detail encourages stillness. In a world that often seeks more, This home reminds us of the beauty of less, of purity, patience, and peace. Inspired by the poetic vision of Zen House by Studio Nirvana, it stands as a timeless expression of balance and belonging, where architecture and life coexist in perfect, tranquil harmony.